Hi, I'm Mario from Spa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bleed an airlock. So to bleed an airlock, first we need to turn the mains power off for 15 minutes and allow the element to cool down. Then we're going to locate the circulation pump. It's labeled model XS-3C on the top. Then we're going to locate the bearing in here and we're going to loosen it by turning it anti-clockwise. This will allow the air to escape. So once the air has escaped, you should see water starting to dribble out. So once that's happening, you start to turn it clockwise and tighten it back up. Then we ensure that all the T-junctions are up and we turn the power back onto the spa. If you keep having troubles with Air 3, please refer to the SV series troubleshooting guide or give us a call at Spa.